Eto na mga boss, Silter. So guys, kahit di ka bumili ng NFT, pwede mo laruin na libre to guys, which is very exciting. So kung may extra time ka, samahan mo ko, laruin natin to. Let's go! So guys, as you can see, merong SYL cards. So pwede ka mag-collect. Ayan nga, no? 33 different characters, 10,000 unique cards. And guys, nababalance yung token dito dahil may nananalo, may natatalo. So some are winning, some are losing as well. And guys, for you to be aware, they can be swap no SYL yung token dito at pwede mo i-swap with KP. Basta't may KP ka, you can play sit and go. And guys, reward points will be accumulated only if you win through sit and go. So mamaya maglalaro tayo nito guys, no? Ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. But before that guys, let's review first, okay, the white paper and introduction guys, for you to have an idea about Silter. So yan sila guys, no? Follow nyo sa social medias, join their Discord. Ayan, so very exciting, no? So quality based NFT based P2E game, no? It is the game that will bring disruption to the market. Ayan, introducing the world of Silter, as Sil designates an independent universe with its own story by introducing the concept of stroke and resonance. So yan sila guys, napakalupit. So Korean historic shamanism characters to mga to. Kung titignan nyo, yun yung mga characters iba't iba, parang manga rin, no, yung datingan, pero Korean SYL characters to mga to. Yan, funded $7.6 million, sold out, rank number 1 in trading card, valued up to 350 times first minting price. Okay, first minting price is 200 clay, current price 162 70,000. Grabe, ang laki na increase. So kung bumili ka, 350 times yung pera mo. So guys, kung wala ka pa idea sa NFT flipping, gusto mo kumita na malaki sa NFT flipping, you can go to my website, no, nanjocapitalmaster.com, para ma-master mo yung NFT flipping, no. Ang dami na tayong natulungan, 200 plus students, milyonaryo na halos guys. So yan na guys, no, Silter. So February roadmap, no, participate March, price worth 2M, card game, ayan guys. So people playing it, P2E model, we have seen many P2E games so bust, no. So yun yung ginawa nila, mas malupit talaga, may P2E gamers, investors. Ito yung roadmap guys, magkakaroon ng partnerships and promotional events. So just for you to have an idea guys, SYL token is a token that exists in the Ethereum network, so you can cash in with this SYL token. RP can be converted back to KP or SYL token, yun yung reward points. Okay, pwede mo convert back sa SYL token. And guys, ang tandaan niyo na pwedeng libre nga to, kahit wala kang bilhin na NFT, makaka-earn ka dito. May normal mode na mag-open sa August 18 guys. So August 18, the normal mode will be here. So abangan nyo yun guys. And also the Glim.io will be available soon, no. So I will show it to you later, no, so yung Glim.io, for you to have an idea. But as you can see, the white paper is very detailed. So you can see the Ethereum chain is there, and you can also add to your MetaMask the SYL contract address when it's available, so you don't have to worry about anything. So you just add custom token when it's available. And guys, Silter's NFT is here. Okay, you can choose the modes, review the white paper itself. Guys, the pre-sale will also be here. For first pre-sale of 1,000 NFTs was first come first serve, no. May pre-sale 2 pa, secondary market yan guys, napakalupit. So guys, tandaan nyo rin dito, pwede ka maglaro nga, no, papakita ko mamaya. May 10,000 USDC Glim event na papakita ko rin mamaya. At PVP structure, not a PVE, so a log pool cannot be generated dito, no. So yung winner ng World Poker Competition and former StarCraft professional gamer, nasa team siya, MI4 developer, nandito rin. So malalaking investment yung at partners yung mga nagba-backup dito, no. So signed MOU with famous Korean department store Shinsegae, okay, Shinsegae department store, established NFT exchange with Hyundai Card, Korea's largest credit card company. So grabe yung mga partners dito. And review nyo yung token guys, yan yung contract address, yung mga characters bago kayo maglaro, para may idea kayo, yung mga tires, yung rarities, no, yung skills. Ayan, may elements, may water, fire, wind, earth, may clinch, genius score, future developments, yun yung team nila guys. So very docs devs, no. So you can see, yan yung tokenomics nila. Importante to, yung private sale na vesting period, okay. Ngayon sa marketing, 11% budget. Sinasabi ko lagi, pag play to earn or NFT games, tandaan nyo, dapat more than 10% ang marketing para maganda siya. So kung gusto mo pang ibang tips na hindi makikita sa YouTube na ganito para ma-maximize mo yung earnings mo sa NFT, join ka na sa program ko. Okay, ngayon na-review na natin itong mga to. After nyo mag-join sa Twitter nila, after nyo mag-follow no, sa Twitter, mag-join sa Discord nila, ayan, accept invite nyo lang for you to be aware about what's happening on their Discord, no. Maglalaro na rin tayo at papakita ko sa dulo ng video yung giveaway, kaya guys, wag muna kayo umalis mga boss, okay? So ito yung tutorial guys, makikita nyo dito, you can watch it as well and you can complete this Discord, no, for you to join here and you can be welcome, no. So ayan, welcome tayo guys. And another thing to consider, you can choose your language here, roadmaps are here, announcements, everything is here guys, no, yung mga collab, ayan. So tingnan nyo na lang, guilds list, chat kung may katanungan kayo, and of course the announcements and weekly reports, which are very important guys. Okay, now let's play this game. It's supposed to be exciting. Okay, so create a MetaMask wallet, get SYL token through Uniswap. Ayan, so kailangan nyo ng SYL token Uniswap, no, tapos ilalagay nyo sa MetaMask ninyo. Ayan, meron din staking pala dito guys, no, pwede ka na mag-stake. So tip 1 card attributes, Discord Ethereum holder verification. So join kayo sa Discord, collab join, and click nyo yung let's go, check your Discord ID if correct, click on the connect button. Okay, and then select MetaMask, sign in. Okay mga boss, kailangan yung gawin yan. So yun yung sinasabi ko, kaya kailangan kayo mag-join yan. Collab join, let's go, connect wallet. Yep, pinapakita ko na sa inyo guys, no, para hindi nyo na hindi kayo mahirapan. So yun yung wallet address, verify. Okay, and we're good to go. Wallet connected. Okay, close this window and return to Discord. So guys, kung titignan nyo yung sa game mismo, you see Salter holder has been granted, makikita nyo. Okay, pwede nyo lagay yan. So guys, wag na natin patagalin pa. So laro na tayo mga boss, no. Hindi ko alam ano pa yung mga instruction na ganun. Reactahan na to, Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so mataas na gas fee, no. Kung di nyo alam paano gawin mababa yung gas fee sa Ethereum, mag-join muna kayo sa program natin guys, no, para ma-maximize nyo yung potential guys, no. So ito na, welcome to the platform. Kalupit guys, so exciting. So iba't iba nga yung legendary super rare common attack. Ito HP yan. Water strong against fire, weak to earth. Fire strong against wind, weak to earth. Water, no? Siyempre, common sense lang to guys. Parang Pokemon, no? Wind, malakas sa earth, pero mahina sa fire, no? Earth, malakas sa water, weak to wind. So, baliktad to sa Pokemon, no? Yung Pokemon, malakas yung water sa rock, no? So, itong fire, obviously, mahina sa water. So, guys, check natin to. May card skill din dito. Ayan. Grabe, may leader skill pa. Sige, let's go guys. Game start. 2 players. So guys, pag 8 players na, no, game starts when there are all 8 players. So maganda guys, piliin nyo 2 players na lang para mabilis. Okay, pag dalawa kasi mga boss, di masyadong matagal, no? Wait lang kayo na may kalaban, chill muna kayo. Game starts when there are all players. Sige. Kailangan natin ng KP, no? So you can swap karma point here. Prove mo lang. Okay, kakailanganin yan guys para makalaban ka sa mga to. And there's a transaction fee of $1 $5, no? It's not that high, no? So, at least, isang insanan lang naman to, guys, no? And, you can swap, no? Kapag meron ka na, makita mo dyan, and may mga tip din dito, no? So, may idea ka, and you can also claim the rewards here, no? Yan na. Okay guys, may lumaban na sa atin sa wakas. Let's go! Alam na natin guys, select a leader. Pre, Yakuza tayo.
Here I come.
Okay, para to guys. Uy. Sinarge niya ako Sige daw. Uy, tingnan mo naman. Ako pa yung challenge niya. Sure win mga boss. Sure win mga boss. Cha-challenge mo nga rin si Danjo Capital Master guys. Sure win. Sige. So, may time din dito guys na 10 seconds.
Oh, hey!
Pwede mo control yung mga
Who
iba.
do you think?
So, care to play?
Okay. So, mamili ka sa team mo, tapos yung kalaban mamili ng pag-challenge niya sa'yo. Ganun to, tas ubusan ng cards. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito. So, kumpundehado pa tayo dito. Talo. Okay, talo tayo dito. Ayos lang. At least lumaban ng mabuting warrior natin. No? So, 40 to 230. Sige.
My sword can
Laban na
split
natin.
mountains.
Para sure lang. 1-all Tinapat niya, hero niya. Sige, kahit hero mo pa yan. Ay, super effective. Galing. Sana manalo tayo dito guys. Dalawang talo na tayo, no? So, magkakaalaman. Sige.
Oh, hey!
Kakaalaman na. Wind, fire siya. No? Sige. Fire to fire. Talo. Galing. So, ganyan lang to mga boss. So, you can lose as well. So, una lang pala tayo panalo. Lahat talo. Panalo tayo dito. Sana. Talo. Malakas yung mga. Talo. Okay. Nice game. 1 win lang tayo guys. 3-2.
This is as far as my spiritual powers go.
And number 1 siya. So you can live as well and pwede ka ulit mag-ano, no? Ay paglaban, no? So depende naman yan hanggang saan gustong lumaban, no? Free lang naman to. You can play whatever you want, and as you can see, it's very fun to play. The graphics is good kahit na card game siya, no? And you can input, pwede ka rin napasok ng KP para nagmumultiply yung pera na nakukuha mo para nanalo ka, no? So big potential guys. So this Danjo the Capital Master guys, better check their social medias. For me, this game has big potential. Check the milestone, the team, the white paper, everything is here. Okay, and I will show you now the Glim, no, for you to be aware about the giveaway nga pala guys, no, yung Glim giveaway. Sige, eto na. So ito na yung Glim event guys, $10,000 total prize money. Grabe talaga. August 11 to August 25, $10,000 guys. First prize 2,500, second prize 1,500, third prize 800. Wala kang magagawin, mararaffle. Ayan lahat ng links, 10 ways to enter. Ayan, submit nyo lang yung crypto wallet, follow nyo sila sa Twitter, retweet, join Discord, Telegram, visit YouTube website to enter and game page. Grabe guys, sobrang lupit talaga nito. Try it right now, free lang to guys.